So hello everyone, I am Dheeraj Purohit. Today we are going to look at a Chrome extension project. A Chrome extension is generally used for enhancing the web experience. It is built using basic web technologies HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I have made one Chrome extension using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So let's see how it works. We can install this Chrome extension and it will appear here. You can access it from here. So it's a clipboard search extension. So let's see how it will work. So we can select the search engine from here that we want to use. It's a clipboard search. So we can select the search engine from here that we want to use. So I will be, let's go with a DuckDuckGo. Let's select it. Okay. So to use that search engine, we will be selecting a text from this document, from this web page. So let's select this particular text and give a Control C operation, that is copy, and it is directing us to a new search engine and passing that particular selected and copied element as a string, as a query to this particular URL. Even from here we can pass a string and we can change the search engine. So we will do. So now let's go with this one. Okay, so this is taking this particular query and passing it to this URL. So we can use it for multiple search engine. We can use it when we want to use multiple search engine, and we can give a query from the current page. If we want to give any text from the web page as a query, so we can select any search engine from here and we can pass that particular string, particular query, and it will direct us to a new page. So this is the Chrome extension which I made using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So it can be easily made. Thank you for watching this video.